5 Best Smart Door Lock. Here is the product number 5. Black Silver Keyless USB Rechargeable Door Lock. Wide application, perfectly used for doors, cabinets, bikes, backpacks, storage lockers, etc. Easy operation, no need any tools. You can add or delete fingerprints easily by following the instructions of the user manual. 10 groups of fingerprints. The Padlock supports up to 10 fingerprints, recording support to administrators. Here is the product number 4. Smart Biometric Thumbprint Door Padlocks. Product name: Household Door Traditional Lock Type Biometric. Model: FLS5 250 grams, with 2 keys, FLS3 30 grams. Without keys. Material: zinc alloy. Battery: 180 mAh 3.7 volts. Capacity: 10 sets. Waterproof, IP65. Here is the product number 3. Security Door Lock Smart Keyless. Product feature: Smart Fingerprint Padlock. Your finger is the key, which discourages the thief to crack the code. Advanced Fingerprint Gym Lock. The locker adopts the advanced fingerprint identification chip. Quick unlock in 0.5 seconds. T can collect 2 administrators and up to 10 fingerprints total. Easy to use. Material: zinc alloy. Here is the product number 2. Fipilock Smart Lock Keyless Fingerprint Lock. Handle direction: right push. Material: aluminum alloy. Model number: Mini Fingerprint Lock. Recognize time: 300 ms. Technology: Biometrics. Low battery alarm: 3.3 volts. LED lights: 3-color light. Full of reminders: red light off. Motor: planetary geared motor M10. Here is the product number 1. Towode Keyless USB Rechargeable Door Lock. Key features and advantages: fingerprint unlock. Your fingers unlock everything. Durable structure: zinc alloy and splash-proof lock body protects your assets against thieves. Portable, small size and lightweight. Family and friends share. Up to 10 sets fingerprint can be stored to unlock. Rechargeable lithium battery, up to 12 months standby or up to 1000 times unlocking.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.